Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. I've been vlogging this whole week and my last video was really crazy. Like, I was in Paris, I went to the seaside, I went to a concert. I was just like really outside. And this week I just wanted to focus more on myself. One thing I really love about YouTube is it holds you accountable for what you're doing in your life. And I don't know, I think especially as a musician, it's really easy to just kind of be like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing, or I'm writing loads, or I don't know. It's easy to not reflect. But this is kind of like my journal. Like, I do genuinely just share exactly what's going on in my life. I vlogged this whole week and I went to edit it just now and I just didn't like it. I'm gonna be real. It's like I'm breaking out, I hate my clothes, I feel lethargic. I'm being dramatic, like I have so much to be grateful for. It's not to be all depressing because I literally am okay. I'm actually really happy in my life. I just didn't like the vlog. I thought we could just catch up and have a chat because I haven't done that in a really long time. And yeah, I've got all my makeup in front of me. I put this on before I started, by the way. Skincare boost, no, the peptide booster and the ultralight sun cream from COSRX. This is my makeup bag. This is like my prized possession. I love this so much. It's from Lexola. Okay, we're gonna just start. It's the 4th of July. My friend's having a barbecue and I think it's like a big one because it started at 2 and I said, can I get there for like 6? And he was like, yeah, like it's gonna be all day. So I'm gonna go pick up my friend from work and then we're all gonna go together and it'll be fun. I'm feeling really self-conscious, I'm not gonna lie. It's just this thing which hasn't gone away for a really long time. And I used to be on Accutane, I know what it's like. It didn't really affect me. Like, I would go on it again, but like, we're not gonna think about it because it is literally the least interesting thing about me. No one even notices it, and if they do, everyone has had acne in their life, and if you haven't, fuck you. This lip color is so pretty. It's toasty brown from Huda Beauty. So if you didn't know, I released my second EP, Dancing in My Room, in April. Go listen to that if you haven't already, but I have more music coming out at the end of summer and I'm really excited about it. So this week I've been planning a music video and like the artwork and everything surrounding the music. I've never been so excited about a release ever. I feel like every song I've released in my 2 EPs that I've got out have taught me so much. Like, I've learned not only about the industry, but also just like how I want to convey my music. I've had so much fun promoting Dancing in My Room, and I feel like the kind of fourth wall of artists promoting and even talking about promoting their music has kind of been broken by artists like Charlie XCX and Zara Larsson speaking openly about their process and like their struggles in the industry. And I feel proud of what I've put out so far, but I'm really excited for what's to come. I went to LA in February for like 10 days and I wrote all the music that I'm going to be releasing at the end of summer, and it was just like honestly the worst trip ever. It was raining the whole time. I was in a hotel, which is obviously really like, okay, that is so fucking annoying. I was kind of like being ghosted, which is a new experience, I'll say that. I felt like there was so much pressure to get the music finished before it was even started in such a short amount of time, and I was just feeling really low. I didn't see any friends there. Actually, that's a lie. I saw my friend Elle on like the last day. I felt really shit and I really didn't think that I'd made anything of any substance. And then by the end of the trip, I was like, whoa, like me, Joseph and Ryan, which is like the group that we made this music with, we're just like, whoa, like this is really good. And sometimes you don't even realize what's in front of you when you're not in the right headspace. So I don't know, I'm just really proud of this music. I think it is, I know I say this every time, but I think it is genuinely my favorite. I think it's my strongest writing and feels really cool. I used the Tower 28 concealer, by the way. I'm gonna just put this on here and leave it for a while. I'm trying to do as little makeup as possible because I think it's easy when you're breaking out to like go crazy. Okay. I don't know how the lighting is, by the way. Should we move back a bit? I guess whilst we're on the topic of like being ghosted, I might as well talk about it. So yes, I'm not in a relationship anymore. I want to be respectful of my ex. It's a weird one because I actually don't want to talk about it, but I feel like it kind of is context to like the music. But then I guess the music can speak for itself. All I'm gonna say is yes, we're not together anymore. We were together for 6 years. Like, he is such a special person, but sometimes things don't work out. I know people have clocked on, like I see the comments, and I don't want it to be like, oh my God, I don't believe in love. Like, we were honestly loved each other so much. We had so much like respect for each other, and the reason it ended so well is because we do have that love and respect for each other. But I think that's the first and last time that I will ever share so much about a relationship online. It's just not nice, and he is a private person and I don't want to talk about someone else's life. We broke up a while ago now, and I guess it's been enough time that I can talk about it. Yeah, he's a great guy. I'm not going to say anything more or anything less, and that is, we're going to leave it at that. Aside from music, I've actually been working on a new creative endeavor, if you will. Growing up making videos, I have made so many, like, experimented so much in front of people, and with this I honestly don't want to do that. I want to make something really, really strong and deliver it down my him. But yeah, I had an idea and I'm really, really excited about it. I don't even know why I'm talking about it because it is not a tangible thing yet, and I don't want to even hint. I really miss performing live, and I've only had 2 proper shows. Oh my God, it was genuinely like the 2 best nights of my life. Like, I love performing so much. I'm like itching to perform. Like, I love it. I took my mum to Maroon 5 last night and with my friend Celine, and it was so cute. Like, we had such a good time. I actually grew up on Maroon 5. Like, I love Maroon 5 so much. Oh guys, blush under your eyes. Maybe this is a known fact, but it's really cute. The only reason I'm actually doing it is because I don't want to put blush over my pimple. I feel like I've spoken about this fucking spot the whole time. It's actually a pet peeve of mine when people point out their insecurities, because it's like, shut the fuck up, you're beautiful. I'm gonna do a little bit of this Benetint in, I think it's raspberry. Definitely not raspberry flavored, it's disgusting, but we're gonna be silent for my eyes because there's no other way. I'm happy with this. Plum lip liner. Feeling good. I'm gonna put some Gucci highlighter on because this is my favorite stuff ever. Okay, I'm gonna leave it here and I will bring you to the barbecue. Really? I love it. Hey. Hey. Hey.
So, pose up.
You what?
Pose up.
Guys, want to be in it? Say hi. It's really annoying to use that. Yeah. Hi vlog. Hi vlog.
Hey guys,
I'm gonna intro this barbecue.
Okay, let me go on the barbecue.
Okay.
What are you cooking tonight?
Ooh. Do you want? I can get you another one.
Yeah, let me fill up this bowl.
Here, just have this. Here, have that one.
That's so great.
That's cute.
That's hosted. How did you get ice in it as well? Okay.
Whoa, we're going crazy right now. 4th of July. Yes.
Shout out to Christopher Columbus.
Yes.
And then what?
Then you pull that in. And then you do one more, so put it back.
We're making a watermelon margarita. Yeah. First 4th of July.
More watermelon.
Truffle. Oh, truffle. You got any words to say for the vlog? Truffle. What are you gonna say? I am bloody boiling. I'm just taking my dogs for a walk because they need it. I really feel for them in this weather because they're covered in fur. Hey, come here. I just finished editing last week's video and I realized I have been outside so much, like I've been anywhere but home, and I want to write some songs this week because I have been off my game. I also told myself at the beginning of the year that I wanted to learn production and piano and like better my skills as a musician, so I'm going to focus on that this week as well as having fun because I'm having a lot of fun and I'm really loving life, but yeah, there are songs to be written about all of this life. Hey.
So the music video can show the disparity between like classic romance, marriage, love, traditional relationships versus our like nonchalant, blocking, silly, trying to act cooler than we are, cooler than we feel, and basically modern dating versus classic romance. We're at a wedding and it's like a wedding dance, and we're dancing. It goes, I don't wanna hide it to myself and turn around to see you with somebody like I didn't even count. So it's like basically like wedding versus like super modern, like stupid shit, like blocking and like, you know? It's like two people basically being in love, like close to letting their guard down and running away from it and being too scared of being hurt because of the current climate of modern dating.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just getting a little coffee with Biba and she's been trying on graduation dresses. We're doing no makeup Tuesday. I'm gonna go
Ice
look
over,
for a
take
bra.
a penny.
Thank you. Oh, there's stores over there. Oh, thank you. Never been here before. Do you want to try it? It's sweet as hell.
What of you guys? Not very happy. Jeez. Tough crowd.
I can't see shit. I'm actually staring at people's backs.
Any thoughts? Thought of the video? Okay. Oh, sorry. Hey guys! I don't see why not. Okay guys, we're at the pub just watching the England game.
Life's not good.
Whatever that means.
Having like the opposite team of sport.
I know. Yeah, this is the vibe.
We're on good vibes.
This is an England fan right there.
Where's this going?
This is going everywhere. It's live. Woo! What's your name?
Joe.
Joe. I'm Yaz. Nice to meet you. Oh my god!
You just flip around.
Look, hold it. And press. If you want to flip, press 1, 2, 3.
This is crazy. I love it.
Say hi. Yo! What's up? Alright.
Don't waste it.
No,
Sorry, didn't know you guys were so incognito.
If you take too many videos. Where the fish?
No.
But apparently I'm not allowed to be deemed as an aunt.
You went on by
In-law. And it looks so No, wait, she was here last.
Yo, we won!
2-1, it's coming home.
Look at that long hair. Who could that be?
Who could that be? Not only that other caramel.
I actually had a few messages of people saying that they got this water bottle because of something I said in a vlog, and I just wanna say, cheers. Okay, well, I saw my sister making a prawn orzo thing. I think I'm gonna copy her swag. Prawn. Do I make prawn pasta? No! presentation, not my best work, but I feel like this is going to be good. Not my best work. I think where I went wrong is I added the pasta water to the sauce and I added too much. But it's good. I rate this a 6 out of 10. Diva check-in. Where's that from? Anyway, I am about to go to Talene's house to watch Love Island. Yeah! And I had like all my friends around last night to watch the cast of recoupling, and girl, that was great too. But I don't really remember what happened because we were all just like talking. Everyone was talking. I'm gonna go watch that, and we've got a fun festival tomorrow, so I'm excited. But I'm also just tired, so I'm gonna watch and dip. Okay, bye.
You know, I'm bringing Mara back, and I'm trying to pursue her, and me and you are over. Yeah, genuinely just want to become the best.
Shut the fuck. Period, Angie.
I don't even make no damn sense. That don't make no.
I don't know.
You tell me what it is. You kissed her multiple times. You shared a bed with her multiple times. Tell me what it is.
Yes,
what
Angie.
exactly? Like, what is he actually having?
Oh, guys.
Should we get some food?
Yeah, let's get some food. Yeah. We just paste it
alcohol.
Because I think a drink and some food would be nice.
Oh my god, look at the queue for the burger.
I can ask someone. Where?
Artists, friends and family. That's where I was working the first year.
Well, should we see what we can get? BST review was fun. Oh, Miss.
Middle.
Adam Levine review.
Adam Levine review. Great. So what are we doing? We're gonna get a burger.
Supernova.
Supernova. We haven't had this place yet, but we'll see. I'm really hungry now.
Oh my god. Yeah, they are. This is so good.
Burger. You use mustard. You use mustard. I think I like.
On the 61!
Mustard?
Yeah. They use mustard in their sauce a lot.
I'm out.
That's American mustard though.
Oh.
French and English mustard is much stronger. Like it's like
Okay, chips, great.
chips are so good. The burger is like, oh my god.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Highly recommend Supernova.